Step into the kaleidoscopic world of Bob Dylan, a modern-day troubadour whose life is as multifaceted as a prism refracting light into endless colors. Born Robert Allen Zimmerman on May 24, 1941, in the frosty heart of Minnesota, Dylan's early years were a patchwork quilt of immigrant heritage, with roots stretching from the bustling streets of Odessa and Lithuania to the ancient whispers of northeastern Turkey. Raised in a tight-knit Jewish community, from his Duluth beginnings to the humble town of Hibbing, young Robert's destiny was sealed the moment he first heard the electrifying twang of Hank Williams and the soulful croon of Johnny Ray. These early melodies, like seeds carried on a northern wind, would soon blossom into a revolutionary musical journey. Imagine a restless wanderer who, at just 19, packed his dreams and traded the quiet Midwestern skies for the pulsing neon heartbeat of New York City in January 1961. In that vibrant urban cauldron, he shed his given name to become Bob Dylan, a name that would soon echo like a mythic incantation across the globe. His debut album in 1962 was a modest spark, but by 1963, with the freewheeling Bob Dylan, he ignited a wildfire of protest anthems like Blowin' in the Wind and A Hard Rain's a Gonna Fall, songs that became the battle cries of civil rights and anti-war movements. His lyrics, steeped in the intellectual cadence of classic literature, were like poetic arrows piercing through the mundane, challenging a generation to reimagine the world. Dylan's career is a veritable odyssey across musical continents. In the mid-1960s, he traded his acoustic roots for the roaring energy of electric guitars. Think of a folk poet donning the armor of rock and roll on albums like Bringing It All Back Home, Highway 61 Revisited, and Blonde on Blonde. His 6-minute magnum opus, Like a Rolling Stone, shattered pop conventions, its rhythm as unpredictable as a rolling boulder that gathers no moss. Yet the road was never smooth. A fateful motorcycle crash on his trusty Triumph Tiger 100 in 1966 sent him spiraling into a hiatus that birthed the enigmatic Basement tapes, recorded in secret havens with his comrades from the band. Even as his musical style morphed, exploring country twangs on John Wesley Harding and the mellow vibes of Nashville skyline, Dylan's restless spirit kept him ever on the move. Whether he was storming the stages on the legendary Never-Ending Tour, an epic saga of over 3,000 live shows since 1988, or dabbling in painting and prose, his creative output flowed like a mighty river, unbound by time. Fun fact, his artistic endeavors spilled over into publishing 9 books of paintings and drawings, each a window into the labyrinth of his soul. Beyond the stage, Dylan's lifestyle reads like the itinerary of a rock star philosopher. When not strumming his guitar for thousands of adoring fans, he's said to be anchored in a sprawling Malibu retreat at Point Dume, a coastal haven where acres of serene landscape mirror the boundless expanse of his musical legacy. What's Bob Dylan's net worth? With decades of record sales, tours, and royalties, estimates put him in the ballpark of around $200 million. But it's not just the cash, it's how he spends it. Dylan is known to own several properties that mirror his eclectic taste and reclusive lifestyle. One of his most talked-about homes is a stunning estate in Malibu, a place where modern art meets vintage rock and roll charm. At 83, Bob Dylan's sprawling 10-acre estate in the exclusive hills of Malibu unfolds like a private symphony of art and architecture. Imagine stepping through a door and entering a space filled with classic memorabilia, unique art pieces, and maybe even a secret recording nook tucked away in one corner as you begin your tour of this luxurious mansion. The exterior impresses with its stately facade, framed by lush gardens and panoramic ocean views, while the grand entrance greets you with a soaring foyer and intricate mosaic flooring. The expansive living room, adorned with vintage musical artifacts and plush seating, invites you to sink into a blend of old-world charm and modern elegance. Just steps away, the gourmet kitchen features state-of-the-art appliances and custom cabinetry, perfect for hosting intimate gatherings. Each sumptuous bedroom offers a personal retreat complete with ensuite marble bathrooms, blending comfort with artistic flair. Outdoors, you'll discover a serene pool area, al fresco dining patios, and secluded garden nooks, ideal for unwinding. Not to be missed are the unique touches, a private home theater for cinematic escapes, a grand piano room echoing with timeless melodies, a fully equipped gym, and an art gallery that showcases rare collections and reflective spaces, encapsulating the creative spirit of Dylan himself. In the realm of love and family, Dylan's personal life is as lyrically intricate as his verses. His early romances, first with high school sweetheart Echo Hellstrom, then the enigmatic Suze Rodolo, whose image graced the cover of the freewheeling Bob Dylan, and the iconic Joan Baez, wove a tapestry of passion and poetic inspiration. In November 1965, he married former model Sarah Lones, and together they raised a bustling brood, 4 biological children: Jesse Byron, Anna Lee, Samuel Isaac Abram, and Jacob Luke, plus Sarah's daughter Maria from a previous marriage. Later, Dylan tied the knot with backing singer Carolyn Dennis, with whom he discreetly welcomed a daughter, Desiree Gabrielle Dennis Dylan. His romantic entanglements, like his songs, are layered with mystery, introspection, and an enduring defiance of convention. Dylan's journey is punctuated by monumental honors: a Nobel Prize in Literature, a Presidential Medal of Freedom, multiple Grammy Awards, an Academy Award, and even a Pulitzer Special Citation, all testament to a life that transcends the boundaries of music and literature. Bob Dylan remains an enduring symbol of artistic reinvention, a living legend whose lifestyle, career, and personal passions captivate fans around the globe. Thank you for tuning in. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for the next update.